y'all, it's about time she got clean because girl was dirty. She was dirty. If you guys cannot tell by the title below, I'm going to be doing another clean with me video. My car needs it. But y'all won't believe me if I just say it, so I'm gonna show y'all. Give me a second. She is already washed though. My dad washed her, I think, like 3 days ago. If he didn't, I would have took her to the car wash, but he washed her. So y'all, it is so hard to get this thing in here. Go in. That's gonna have to work. I'm gonna change the little brown tip, not brown tip, the little Brussels tip to like a regular little small one, and we finna get this thing started. I'm gonna take my old mats out, y'all, because I ended up getting new ones. So just throw them ugly things over there, and don't mind them black spots, y'all. Those are rocks. Okay, listen. And my nail on the ground, y'all. Listen, my car be going through it sometimes. Now tell me why I had this part right there to where air is blowing out of this and not sucking it in. All right, so the first side is done, y'all. I got her as vacuumed as she could be. The floor is looking 10 times better. I'm gonna put the mats down last. This is the part I'm scared for, y'all. Look at this. This is what I'm dreading. Don't ask why I got heels, y'all. Okay, this is from prom. If y'all seen my prom vlog, then you know why these here. But we just gonna take all this stuff out to begin with, vacuum it up, and then we gonna come back. Okay. All right, y'all, sorry for the lighting. I look crazy, but I'm gonna be using this total interior cleaner and stuff, like to wipe my dashboard and everything like that. I was gonna use some other stuff, but my boyfriend said this works, so we're gonna use this. I can use it on my dashboard and my glass, everything like that. So yeah, I already finished vacuuming and everything like that. The only thing that I have left to do after the cleaning part is to organize things and throw some trash out and everything like that, and y'all gonna be able to see that. But for right now, we need to clean up. Alright y'all, I just got done wiping everything down, and now I'm gonna go ahead and throw away the trash that I have, you guys, because I need to. And then I'm gonna organize some things, and then the last thing that I'm gonna do is put my mats in. So I'm gonna time lapse all of that so that this video isn't too long. But yeah. I got so many little plastic spoons and freaking straws up in here, y'all, because I eat so freaking much. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna go in and put my mats in. I got these from Ross, y'all, for only $9.99. They're like little rubber mats, because the ones I had before were like, I don't even know what type of material, but when I tell you, if I was to spill something on it or get like dirt on it, it would not come off at all, even with the vacuum. So I just got this so that everything just slides right off. I got my mats in now, y'all. I'm gonna go with my Febreze. It's kind of like a fabric thing, whatever, to make your car smell good. Guys, Betty is officially done. She looks so freaking cute, you guys. Oh my god. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Go ahead and follow me on all my social medias that will be in the description box below, and turn on your post notifications so you can be updated every time I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.